Well, finally completed my shed and roof extension, and I think it's come out pretty well. So let's take a look back at the process. What was involved in doing this project? So, shed is now completed. That wasted space that was there, filled with banana trees, is now a useful shed. All done. So, let's take a look inside. A lot better now, look at that. So we've got all this space now, all the paint is underneath the worktop. And now all this storage. Yes, I'm quite happy with that. Come out nice. Worked out just right. So the last step I've got to do outside is this concrete here. I've prepped it already, and what I did, I bought a cement mixer from Lazada, but unfortunately, see here, damaged. This clog teeth here is loose. So they're sending me a new replacement part. So I'm going to wait till it comes to do this final leg of concreting. But if you can remember what it was like before, this wasted space and lots of banana trees. Now I've extended the roof and all the water goes over the fence. I've tied in the wall to the posts to stop the wall from moving any further. As you can see, it is leaning over, but I'm pretty happy with that, how it's turned out. So the next step is to finish this concreting, and then I'll decide what I'm going to put on the floor. Probably have some sort of tiling, but that's for another day. Okay, so if you've got any questions that you'd like to know about this project, just leave a message and I'll answer any questions you have. Okay, so I'll catch you on the next project.